This is the I-2019 Chemetrix kit used for measuring dissolved ozone. This is the user guide that comes with the kit. These are the vials used to dissolve the ozone. This is the meter used to measure the dissolved ozone in the vials. These are 4 AAA batteries that come with the kit. And this is the vial guard that blocks the light from interfering during the testing process. And finally, the screwdriver that is used to remove the back panel of the meter to install the batteries. Flip the monitor over and remove the 4 screws. Now that all 4 screws have been removed, you can remove the back panel to install the 4 batteries that came with the kit. Again, this kit comes with 4 AAA batteries used to operate the meter. The meter is now ready to be turned on.